Everybody, please don't forget, if you are coming to Thailand as Test and Go program, please don't forget, don't buy the ticket to arrive Thailand on the 1st of February. Even though you know that Test and Go is going to start it from the 1st of January, but they just mean that on the 1st of January, they're going to allow you to start to apply Thailand Pass. Even though you are coming to Thailand as Test and Go, but you cannot come here without having a Thailand Pass. And the Thailand Pass is going to allow you to apply as Test and Go from the 1st of February. If any of you already bought the ticket to come to Thailand on the 1st of February, I have to tell you that you may have to change the program to be sandbox, and then you have to apply right now. Just because when you apply Thailand Pass, it's going to take about 7 days unless your document is completely perfect and you also have vaccine QR code. You will probably get an approved very fast, even shorter than 7 days, but who knows? And especially on the 1st of February, when Test and Go is going to be the first day that they're going to let you to start to apply, I don't think it's going to be smooth as silk. So guys, if you want to make sure that your Test and Go is going to be safe and everything is perfect without any headache, I recommend you to book the ticket after the 7th of February, maybe 8, 9, 10, especially after 10 February, and you apply Thailand Pass on the 1st of February. You will not be headed, please believe me. So I tell you again, it's not the 1st of February yet. Make sure don't buy the ticket to arrive Thailand on the 1st of February if you are coming here as Test and Go. Good luck guys! Have a nice day! สวัสดีค่ะ